Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 8 English version, Math, Measurement Chapter, Exercise 3. Question number 27. The length of a pond is 32 meters, breadth is 20 meters, and the depth of water of the pond is 3 meters. The pond is being made empty by a machine which can remove 0.1 cubic meters of water per second. How much time will be required to make the pond empty? So the length, breadth and depth. Length is 32 meter. Breadth is 20 meter. And the depth is 3 meters. Now we need the volume of water actually. So how do we get the volume of water? We can easily find the volume of pond. Volume of pond. We can find because we have the length, breadth and depth. And when we get volume of pond, from that volume we can easily find the volume of water. We need volume of water because we have to empty the pond. Here it is given 0.1 cubic meter is removed in 1 second. So let us find the volume of pond first. Volume of pond equals to length, breadth, and the depth equals to 32 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 3, and the unit will be meter into meter into meter is cubic meter. From here, what is the amount? It is 1920 cubic meter. Can we find the volume of water? Yes. Volume of water. Therefore, volume of water equals to 1920 cubic meter. So there are two things. One is amount of water and the other is time. So we put the quantity, time quantity on the right side and the amount of water on the left because we have to find the time actually. So 0.1 cubic meter water can be removed in 1 second. Therefore, 1 cubic meter water can be removed in 1 divided by 0.1 second. Therefore, 1920, the volume of water was 1920 cubic meter. Water can be removed in 1920 divided by 0.1 second. If we multiply the numerator and denominator by 10, we get 1920 and 0 second. Can we divide it by 60 and get the minutes. Yes, 1900 to 19200 seconds equals to 19200 divided by 60 minutes equals to 5 hours 20 minutes. The answer 5 hours 20 minutes. That is the time needed to empty the pond. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.